As I mentioned in the foreword to this course, I don't want it to be only a showcase of true, great Illustrator techniques, but also a quick reference to logo design principles.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So before we move on to actually utilizing all the techniques we learned into a logo design, let's briefly learn some basic logo design theory. These few videos aren't meant to be a one-stop shop for all logo design theory. They are rather guidelines or pointers on what to look out for and where to go from here. Let's start with what a good logo should be like. First of all, a logo should be simple, timeless, versatile, and memorable. Think of the London Underground logo that dates back to early 1900s and has remained fairly unchanged until today. Its form, comprising of a bar, circle, and typography, withstood the test of time, and its simplicity makes it versatile. Though the composition, according to the creators, doesn't mean anything in particular. All in all, an effective logo should endure the test of time. Yes, you can argue if memorability of a certain logo only means that it's been around for so long that you remember it, or is it that its particular qualities make it memorable, or maybe is the marketing. All in all, a memorable logo stands out, and its qualities, simplicity in particular, make it versatile. Let's take a look at some other great logo designs that fall into the timeless category, so to speak. Take a look at the WWF logo, I Heart New York logo, or the Apple logo. They all are simple, versatile, memorable, and timeless. When doing some research on this topic, I stumbled upon a very nice statistic, which surprisingly is not boring at all. Quite the contrary, for all logo designers it can be really helpful, if not enlightening. It's a review made by the Top 100 Global Brands Scoreboard, and it comes up with interesting conclusions that I've summed up and chose the most relevant figures for you. First of all, in 94% cases of top 50 brands in the world, the name does not describe the product the company is selling. In 90% cases, the logo is only the symbol or the type, and even if the company is using a tagline, it is not in their logo. In 80% cases, the font style is clean and clear. We will talk about logo typography principles in a short while. For now, let's simply bear in mind that the font we want to use must be legible. In 74% cases, the logo design uses only one color. It's great if you can stick to one color in your design, but it's sometimes really difficult. So, as a general rule, try not to go over 3 colors in your logo design. Lastly, in 74% cases, the logo design uses letters only. So the symbol is not even in the logo design, or maybe I should say that the typography is also the symbol. Of course, the letters are not always good old Arial or Helvetica. It's very often some custom-made or a bit fancy font like in the Google or Kellogg's logos. Okay, so these are the basic guidelines that can help you in starting out as a logo designer, and definitely will make your designs better. In the next video, we'll talk about how to actually tackle your designs with respect to, let's call them, technical aspects.